Hi, I'm Mike from OTOFIX. In this video, I'm going to run an in-vehicle test using the BT1 on this BMW. If you are ready, let's get to it. The battery for this BMW is in the back. Open the back latch and take apart the cover. I already have it open, so let's continue to place the clamps on. Red to positive, black to negative. Check the Bluetooth settings on your device. Tap the connection to pair the VCI with the BT1. Also make sure you are connected to an internet source. Now that we're paired, we can select in-vehicle test. Input the vehicle's information. If you've worked on this vehicle before, you should be able to automatically fill in these fields. Input the vehicle's battery type. Check the label on the battery for this information. Mine is AGM CCA 950. Tap Next. This is a quick process and displays the information in report format. View it as a PDF and send it as an email. Print it out and hand the report to the customer. The report will also automatically save, and you can view it in Data Manager if you need to retrieve it later. You can also do an out-of-vehicle test, battery replacement, and battery resets from this device. I'm Mike, and if you need more information regarding the BT1 and BT1 Lite, check out our other videos on the OTOFIX YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.